Hello?
Hello, am I visible? Yeah. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. So this is just a small feedback session just to know how your classes are going on. So how are your classes going on so far?
They're going great. I'm learning very well actually.
So which course did you choose to learn?
I'm learning Haryanvi.
Or is there any particular interest that you want to learn Haryanvi?
Yeah, it's from my girlfriend. So I couldn't find like a Haryanvi teacher, and then the
Okay.
Kriti Tech was able to find one for me.
Oh, that's nice to know. So are you comfortable with the teaching style?
Yeah. He's a very good teacher. He teaches me like at first it was his first time, and it was my first time learning like this. But he put it everything in. We found a way that to learn very efficiently, and it's working very very well.
Great, great. So how do you want to talk about your experience on our platform? And could you elaborate your answer a bit so it will be helpful for us?
No, it was good. You guys connected me with a teacher that I couldn't find because it's like a really hard thing to find as a Haryanvi teacher. It took me like I actually looked for like a whole week before you guys. Actually, I think I looked for 2 weeks before you guys contacted me and like gave me the teacher. So
Hmm.
that was good. Yeah.
Okay. It was nice talking to you. Thank you for your feedback.
Oh, okay, that was quick. All right, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a great night.
All
Good
right,
day.
you too. Bye.
Yeah.